Hi children, good morning. How are you all? Do you remember in the previous class we learnt about the uses of plants. In that we discussed about that plants provide us food. Yes, plants are the major source of the food items what we eat. Apart from that, even we learnt that plants give oxygen for us to breathe. So giving oxygen for us to breathe and providing us food are the two main or major uses of plants. Yes children. So apart from that, even plants are very useful to us. So that is what today we are going to learn. Yes children, by now you all know that we learn block 2 useful plants. Yes children, so today's class we will see about the other uses of plants. Already you all know that plants provide us food. Yes, no children. So apart from that, how useful are plants? That's what today we are going to learn. So before starting, as usual, we'll do one simple activity. You can take out your rough book and you can write any 4 things. Just 4 things you can write which you will which we are using in our life for 1 week time or something. You can think and you can write some 4 things. Yes children, shall we start doing? Yes. So you all are fond of playing, right? You all are fond of playing. You have to cricket is your favorite, cricket or hockey or anything. So when you want to play cricket, you need a bat, right? Yes. So bat. Then you want to write. See, just now I said take out your notebook and write. Read the textbook. Yes. Morning you might have seen newspaper. You are seeing every day. You are checking the newspaper. What are the news? How when the school will be open, like that. So notebook also one thing which you people use frequently. Yes, no children. A bat, notebooks, and sometime if you go wrong in your notebook, you need an eraser, no child? Yes, so we use an eraser also to rub things, and you all know that all of us need clothes to cover our body. We need the clothes. Some more also you can write. So now see from where these items we will see. If suppose it is a cricket bat, so it is a cricket bat. So if it is a cricket bat or hockey bat, it is made up of wood. No children. So it is made up of wood. And if you take a notebook or a textbook, it is made up of papers. Very good. If you take an eraser, small piece of eraser, that is made up of rubber, a material called rubber. And clothes, when we talk about clothes, last year we learnt about the synthetic and natural fibers. So you all know that some are synthetic fibers, man-made fibers, some are natural fibers which we get from the plants or animals. Even plants, even some of the clothes, if suppose you are in the summer time, we wear cotton or jute or linen. Yes, so just here I will write an example as cotton. So now you see these all things, wood, paper, rubber, cotton, all these from where we get from the plants. See, apart from giving us food, plants are giving many other things also. We can add up this list. See, sometimes occasionally when we fall sick, we take some medicines. Some of the medicines also we get from the plants. For example, you got a dry cough or anything. So you will some cough syrup or something you are taking, your parents are giving. So that also in that if you check, it will be made up of, there will be some tulsi extract in that, which is also from the plant. Like that, this for this side we can keep on adding what all we are. That is the tulsi syrup. That is nothing but the tulsi syrup. That is the, even we can make the homemade tulsi syrup also. No, sometimes you might have seen your mother preparing and giving you when you have a mild cold and all. So like this we can keep on adding what all we are getting from the plants. Yes, so this is very interesting, no? So you can add up some more and you can complete this activity and you can keep it. This is just to understand that plants provide us many other things apart from food also. Yes, children, shall we start? We'll make one. You can also copy that word web. If you are unable to do writing part, if you are unable to do along with that, later also you can complete. So just 5 or 4 things we have chosen from our everyday life. And we have found out that we are getting so many things from the plants. Yes. So now we will make a word web that so that we can understand what all are the different things we are getting from the plants. Yes, children. See, useful plants. See how they are useful. That is what we are going to see. See, paper is paper. We get the paper from the plants. Plants give us paper. Plants give us medicines. Even turmeric is having a very good medicinal value. Pudina has a mint, that is having medicinal value. Aloe vera has medicinal value. Then plants give us fiber, that is the clothes. No children, cotton fiber, jute fiber, from that we can make the clothes. And plants give us rubber. Rubber is used to make not only your eraser, tires of the vehicles, or else how the vehicles will move are made up of rubber. And also paper, medicines, fiber, rubber, and also plants are used to make cosmetics like perfume and all. We learned in the flowers chapter. Perfumes and all are made up of plants only. That is the part of the plant, mostly the flowers. Even some flowers are used for making dyes also, colors, to make the colors. Holy, see, henna also, you might have seen, henna they'll extract and they'll use it for coloring the hair. And some colors or some flowers are used for, like marigold, hibiscus, many flowers are there. They are soaked and they are extracted to get the colors. And gum, even gum we get from the plant only. Acacia tree is there, that tree only gives us the gum for sticking many things. We need the gum, no children. So like this, so many things we get from the plants only. See, paper, medicines, fiber. One of the very important one, wood. See, wood is used to make houses. In some parts of our country, houses made up of, complete houses only made up of wood. But we use the wood for making the doors, windows. No children, without door, a house cannot be made. Windows we need to get the aeration. In our school also, you remember our classroom. How is the classroom? We have the many windows. We have the doors made up of wood. Furniture we have in the school, made up of wood. Even you might be having in your home also. Wood is a very, very useful product which we get from the plant. See, so many things we are getting from the plant. I repeat again, wood, some medicines, fiber, rubber, cosmetics and perfumes, dyes, gum and paper. All these things we get from the plants, children. But now when you know this, all you know already. No, we get all these from the plants. So just now we will learn which plants, particularly which plants, majorly which plant we are getting all these items. So by now, till I keep the board ready, you can make the web and you can write what are the things we are getting from the plants. Yes, children? Yes, children. So now we will find out the names of the plants which are going to give us these all useful products. Yes, shall we start from wood, children? Shall we start from wood? So generally we get wood from the plants, trees called sal, sesame, and also very simple one, teak. So many teak woods, rosewood, many are there that you can, out of your interest, you can find out the other names also. Next, paper. Generally, paper we get from the bamboo trees, children. Bamboo trees, and also from the eucalyptus trees, we will get they are used to make the paper. And from which plants we get the medicines? We get the medicines from tulsi, mint, aloe vera. So many we can add up. Yes, medicinal plants, we have learnt already in the lower classes also. So you can add up tulsi, aloe vera, turmeric. Turmeric is one thing which is very, very useful. The other day we discussed about how eating habits and all. No? So you might have seen in major items, or most of the items, your mother will be adding a pinch of turmeric powder. That will be in yellow color. So this turmeric is having an anti-inflammatory property. So because of that, when you take the turmeric, any times you get a wound or cut, that will get healed on its own. That's why when you get a hurt, they'll start giving you a milk, hot milk or warm milk with a pinch of turmeric powder. So that is regular basis also you can drink. It is good for your throat also. Like that, so many, even I'll add up here, turmeric. So many plants are there which are very useful, which are used to make different types of medicines. Next, gum. Generally, gum we will get from the tree called acacia. These acacia trees are seen in the deserts, and these trees we will get the gum. Now rubber we get from the rubber only. The plant is called rubber plant, and this rubber plant, children, that will give a It's called a sap. Rubber sap means liquid. That liquid will come out of that like a white color. That liquid they'll collect it, that extract they'll collect it, and that only will be taken. With tea leaves we learned in the previous class. It will be taken to the factories and the rubber is made. From the rubber we make eraser. That's what you are using. But the tires, so many other uses are there for the rubber in many industries also. So rubber is also a useful product. Now you all know that fiber. So fiber is fiber only. From the fiber they will make the thread. From the thread we will make the clothes. So generally we get from cotton, jute, linen also one of the fiber which we get from the plant, which is used for making our clothes. Yes children. Then perfumes and cosmetics. So perfumes, cosmetics, this we discussed in the flower chapter also. So these are cosmetics means making creams, soaps and all. Yes, and perfumes to give them nice fragrance. So the flowers having strong fragrance are used for making perfumes, and flowers or any other part of the plant which is having the healthy or medicinal values, that is used for making the cream, soaps which can protect our skin. So like that, if you take rose, you know rose, lavender, all these are used for making the perfumes, and again rose, jasmine, all these are used for making hibiscus and all used for different types. Aloe vera, you might have seen aloe vera face wash, so many ad they'll use, different things. So that is also scrubs and all for different cosmetics. And soaps, neem soap. Yes, neem soap is very good for our skin. Like that, many plants and different parts, not only flower, is used for making the cosmetics, that is cream and soaps, and perfumes for a nice flavor, rose, lavender, jasmine and all. Now apart from perfume, see what all we have written: wood, paper, medicines, gum, rubber, fiber, perfumes and cosmetics. And also we get, yes, you all know that we get even oil from the plants, groundnut oil, sunflower oil, all are from the plants only. And also you know that we get the dyes, children. Dyes means colors like marigold, hibiscus, all these flowers are used to get the dyes. Even henna is used. Henna leaves are used to get the colors for the hair coloring and all they use. So this dyes are for the different purpose. For fiber they'll dye like that. And oil, you can add up one more is oil also. We get the oil from the plants only. So this list can be, you can keep on, we can add up, so that you will understand that different plants are used, very very useful to us. But one important thing about this is, when we use so many plant products, when we are cutting, if you take the leaves or if you take the flowers, you know that next season are as per the plant's nature, it will grow. But when we cut the complete tree for wood purpose, soon the plants won't be there on the earth. That is also one major concern. Yes, children, that has to be avoided. We are learning that all the time we are learning about that, to save the plants, save the trees, save life, like that. Yes. So here you see sal, sishem, teak, bamboo, so many names are there. These all names you should be familiar with it. Major, apart from this, you will be surprised to know that plants help in bringing rain also. Yes, so the trees help in bringing rain. So the plants, to prepare their food, they will absorb the water, right? And that water will be stored in the leaves, and the extra water will get evaporated and it will go up in the sky. Evaporation means it will change into water vapor, children, and again they will come as rain. So see how useful are the plants. In detail we learn how plants are helping to bring the rain. Yes children? Yes children, we'll see how even trees help in bringing rain. Wherever more trees are there, forest area is there, always there will be more rainfall. Just we'll have just an idea about that. You will be learning about this all in detail when you go to the higher classes. For example children, there are trees are there. See, like this, trees are there. So trees will have many leaves. All the plants have leaves, and they will absorb the water. From the root will absorb the water, and you all know that leaves will prepare the food for the plant itself. And they will, when they absorb water, they will absorb more water also. So there will be some extra water in the leaves. That extra water, here leaves are there, children. So these leaves will have some extra water. Extra water. So that extra water will get evaporated because sun is heating, no. So it will get evaporates. It will get evaporate means what, children? It will change into water vapor and it will go up. And you know that when they become water vapor and when they move up, they may change into clouds and they may fall as rainfall. And you all know water cycle, no? From the water bodies, water will same way they will go up and they will form as clouds and they will fall and they will reach the water bodies. That is a cyclic movement. So here this water also which is evaporating, they will become a part of water cycle. From the water bodies also water is getting evaporated, no? So this water also get evaporates and they will mix and this also will becomes a part of water cycle and they move up, they form clouds and they bring the, so like this, they become the clouds and they bring the rainfall. So this is how trees also help in bringing rain. Very, very important. Rainfall is so important for the life to be sustained, life to continue on the earth. So not only giving food, not only giving us oxygen, not only giving other things for our comfortable living like wood, paper and all. Even the plants help to bring the rainfall. Yes, children. So now as usual, and one more thing, children, about the rubber we learned, no? Rubber, I said they'll collect some liquid. So that liquid is called as sap. They'll collect the trees rubber. If it is a rubber tree, they'll collect a liquid from this to make the rubber. So that is called as the sap liquid. It will be in the liquid form. So now we will read what is there in the textbook. Just we will see what is given in your textbook, children. Take out your textbook. In your textbook page number 17, you can see other uses of plants and they have been given many pictures. You can see the wooden houses in some countries and even in our India also some parts of our country houses are made only using wood. You can see wood and you can see the coconut we eat as food also, and also coconut outside that fiber is there, no, that is used as coir. Tulsi, you all know that it is a medicinal plant, and marigold is used for decoration and making perfume also, that also you know that. And neem, again medicinal plant. Mint also medicinal values are there for mint even, and we use for cooking. Turmeric, just now I said, no, turmeric can heal the cuts and wounds and it is an antiseptic. Turmeric has many medicinal values. You see the picture of the fiber from the cotton plant, children. So this fiber, even you had this picture in your 3rd class book also. So that is only collected and it is made into thread and thread is made into clothes. And you see sap being collected. Sap is the liquid being collected from the rubber tree. See that, children, like white color milk like thing, and this will be in the factories, they'll change into rubber. This small part is there for you to read, interesting part that you can, even many trees names with spelling it is given. Try to learn that, read that, and then as usual you will be able to complete your S2 you will write the date. This time I am not going to write complete answers. I will be giving you the hints. You will be able to, can do that on your own. So in S2, children, see the first part, circle the things that we could use in our daily life and get from plants. Circle the things that you are getting from the plant. So they are given you Pudinhara. Pudinhara, one tablet like thing will be there. It is used by, we are getting it from the Pudina. So you think whether you can circle it or not. Then plastic bag, pencil, study table, newspaper, gum, cotton sari, steel plate, rubber band. See, rubber bands for many purpose we use, no? Yes. Jute bag, teak chair. Teak is the name of the tree. And sweater. So you think which all are from this, which all you can circle, which all are we are getting from the plant, you think, and that you have to complete on your own. So first is for you will do on your own. Okay, children. Now second one we are doing S2. Always write the date. First one, you are very clever, children, all can do on your own, circling. Second one, see that they given write examples of plants that give us flowers. Very simple, no? You can write any 2 flowers. Second one, a rose you can write on your own. You write whichever flower you want to complete that. One item. Medicine, children. So this is for the flowers, right? So flowers. Then they ask you to write the medicinal plants. So medicine, Can I write neem? And you can write one more on your own. Yes, children. Then wood. Wood, I'll write sesame. You can write any one. Sesame is also one of the tree which can be used for making the wood, furniture and all. Fiber. I am writing one. You are going to write the other one. So I am writing cotton. You write one more on your own. Then oil. Oil, I am writing sunflower. Sunflower oil. You can write one more. Groundnut. You can write till. That is the sesame. You can write. Then paper. Paper is from bamboo, generally from bamboo and some other trees also. So we can write only bamboo here. Yes. So then this you will complete on your own. Second and another names you can write on your own. Now third question, you see, there is a girl like you, Yashoda. She fell and hurt her knee. Her mother gave her milk with turmeric. Why is it advisable for someone who has gotten hurt to drink milk with turmeric? Because turmeric has medicinal value and turmeric can cure the wounds and cuts. Turmeric has medicinal values and it can cure the wounds and cuts. So Yashoda can get well soon. Yes, children. So can you write it on your own? Yes. So this first and second I hope you can do on your remaining part, you can do on your own. Now third and fourth, only three more questions are there that we will discuss. So now turmeric can cure wounds and cuts. So she can get well soon. That's why her mother is, she can get well soon. You can write in your own way also. Just we are helping you because you are not there with us. No, in the school we are not. So that it is not necessary that you have to, this part after reading lesson you try to do on your own. If you have any doubt, then you can check. And no need to write the same way what I am writing. You write in your own way. Frame sentences. This you can add up. Turmeric is having antiseptic values. Turmeric is a medicinal plant. So different way also you can write. Yes, children, try to do on your own. This is just one hint we are giving you. Just we are trying to help some of the children who need us. They want our help. But you, whoever, everybody can try. It's not that anybody cannot do. All of you can try and frame your own sentences. Fourth question. How do plants help in bringing rain? So how do plants help in bringing rain? Trees store water, no, in their leaves. This extra water, some will be used for making the food. The extra water evaporates and becomes a part of water cycle. Yes, now can you complete this? So when it becomes a part of water cycle, thus this helps in bringing the rainfall. You can hear any places there, you can draw the tree, how that water going up. That is also, if you are having interest, you can do that. You can complete, I did not complete one more sentence you can make to complete this. No, this becomes a part of water cycle. Thus the plants help in bringing the rainfall. You have to add up on your own. Now fifth question. Why do we use other material instead of plants for some of our daily needs, like synthetic fiber instead of cotton or plastic instead of wood? See, always we are not getting the cotton. Always we are not using cotton. So we are using the synthetic fibers also. The same way we are using the, instead of using wooden furniture, sometimes we are using plastic chairs also. Why, they are asking? Why, children? Why like this why we are not always using the plant products only? Why? Because always we are cutting the trees. No, most of the times human beings are cutting trees for making the houses, getting the paper, making furniture. So trees are becoming very less on the earth. Yes, that is why we are unable to get the plant products. Plant products are less available. Why? Because we are cutting the trees for various, human beings are cutting the trees for various purpose. So that is why plant products, if they are available also, they are very costly also. So like this, some reasons are there. One or two, one I'll write. You can think any other reason will be there. Why we are using, instead of wooden chair, why you are using plastic chair? Instead of cotton clothes, why you are using synthetic clothes? Any other reason is there, you can think and give also. So now, fifth question. Why are we using the synthetic fiber instead of cotton, and why we are using plastic furniture instead of wood? So that human or people cut trees to make houses, furniture, also so many things, like to get the paper and all. So trees are becoming less. Trees are becoming less. That is why plant products are less available or less in availability. They are less on the earth. That also you can write. So you can try to give your own answer also. So like this, complete first you other uses of plants. That is what's today's topic. You read the lesson, observe the pictures, and what all are their uses you understand. Then you take out your workbook with the hints whatever I given. Try to give your own answers. That is over. You can draw one big tree and you can write the different things what we are getting from the plants, and try to give two examples for each category. Bamboo I said for paper, you can find out which other trees are used for making the paper also. Like that you try some other things of the same topic and complete that the worksheet completion over this project work also you complete, and be ready for the next class, children. Thank you, children.